Okay, 10-second intro before I get into the showcase of the Underglow. This was a community goal that I set on Instagram for 100,000 followers. I'm a little behind schedule with how it was going on. There's some unexpected delays with getting the Underglow here and then getting it installed. But I finally got it on. So I'm going to first show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you my initial reaction along with some other clips that I recorded just last night after getting these on. So let's get into it. Let's go get my live reaction. That's sick.
Yeah.
Put this on. Can't really see much of the car, but right now this looks. That's perfect. That's great. That's exactly what I was going for.
You can change the colors.
Oh, I can't wait to take more videos of this tonight.
You can even have it like if you have music going on in the car, it'll kind of.
No way.
Music, yeah.
Really?
Like
that's awesome.
Kind of like
it's like bass activated.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, that thing's got some sweet bass in it too, so that'll definitely be fun.
So yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, a little bit of a challenge, but she's
Yeah, I can imagine.
She's good to go. So yeah. So obviously this remote's pretty straightforward.
Is there so this is illegal to drive with in Minnesota, right?
I would think so. Yeah.
I think yeah. I mean, the car's already pretty distracting as it is, and like I can't tell you how many people.
A cop might just be like,
whatever.
Yeah.
No, I can't tell you how many people have almost crashed or gone into a wall just by like looking at it.
Yeah.
But I would assume that the lighting probably just adds another reason to get pulled over. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Nice little touch for these car shows.
Oh yeah.
All summer if it ever gets nice out.
God, yeah. I keep saying I hope we have a longer warm period since we're getting robbed of the current stuff. I'm hungry. I got some Burger King after this. Howdy. Thank you. Thank you.
Is that the Zimmer?
Yeah. 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 I just got these on today, so I'm getting some B-roll shots.
The one that I've seen.
Yeah, on TikTok or Instagram. Yeah, go for it.
That's wild. I didn't think you were in Minnesota.
Yeah, I'm trying to make that more like.
That thing is so sexy.
Thank you. Thank you.
I saw it coming in. I was like, no way.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you get to see behind the scenes right now.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Thank you. Well, take it.
Put the hood on it.
Coyote V8. Yeah. So like it's pushing like 430. It's fast enough. Fast enough to have fun with it, you know? Thank you. Hey, take it easy. Bye. Thank you. It's a Zimmer Mustang. Yeah, so it's a Mustang with like some cosmetic changes.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Is it yours or is it like?
Yeah, it's mine. Different, you know? Like.
Yeah. I bet people always stopping to tell you.
Yeah, all the time while I'm driving, videos and photos.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
I like, different.
Yeah,
Being different.
good different, yeah. A lot of people don't like it, but
Hey, that's still.
yeah.
You got any other cars?
Yeah, I have a 23 C8.
Say that again.
I have a 2023 C8 Corvette. Yeah.
You got money? It says a Corvette.
Yeah.
Oh, you got money. Okay.